Well, hello my friend, your girl here, Miss Naturalist, bringing to you another video. Now, I want to do this for you right here, right now. I want to share with you on how to know the difference and really making the right choices, whether you want to choose computer information system or information technology. I remember when I was trying to narrow things down, and a lot of times people say, oh, they are the same thing. But to be honest with you, it's not. Go do some homework. Now, you ain't got to do no homework right now, because what I'm going to do for you right here, right now, is to explain to you the difference between both. Because I got the fully knowledge and I understand it, but not everyone does. And here's what I don't want you to do. I don't want you to make that mistake whereas you started information technology, but pretty much it wasn't your interest. It's not what you want to do. And then, you know, two things: you lost the money, you drop, or you end up finishing out and then you aren't happy. Like, sometimes that happens. So what I want to do for you is just simplify it. And what I'm going to do at the end of this video, I'm going to suggest two schools that you can really think of that I don't know if you're in the state or if you want to do it online, but I can suggest two colleges that I believe would fit your need. Whichever way you choose to go, I will lay it out for you, but I'm going to do it at the end of this video. Miss Naturalist. So how to choose, right? So you gotta really understand yourself, understand what you like to do. And the reason why I'm saying that is because sometimes we don't get it. We don't know what we want to do. But you probably know that you want to get into IT because I like to do programming, I like to fix computer, I like to do this, I like to do that. But what I'm going to say to you is that information technology is more of like developing programming, you know, a little bit of UI, user interface, and more design and programming. Let's say, for example, C++, Python, JavaScript, you could do some HTML, you know, if you want to build a website, thing of that nature, and just be like that back-end person, then maybe information technology is really for you, because you will learn more of those things. But on the other hand, if you are a person that loves business like me, very attracted to it, I understand the concept of it, and for some reason, when you talk about business, it's like, everything opened up for me. I just love it. I love networking. So my thing was, when I was starting college, I didn't know what I wanted to do, and I switched majors twice until I figured it out and got into computer information system. But there was a dilemma because I really didn't know how to differentiate. So it took me weeks of researching, trying to figure out the difference between both. Now, there are some common curriculum, whereas, you know, a computer information system, they do learn of Python, I wouldn't say much of C++, but more of HTML and JavaScript. Also, a little of developing, but it's just a fundamental. It's not deep like information technology, you know. But the plus for me in computer information system is that I get to understand more about business. It's a lot of business scenario, a lot of database system management, such as Access, such as Excel, you know, learning how to structure the database, you know, thing of that nature, coding behind it too, and all of that. Also, what I meant about the business aspect is like, if you want to start your own business, like, you can do both. You can build your website, an e-commerce, you know, whether you want to start something like that, and you be the developer where you could program it, you know. And as well, you get to understand when it comes down to accounting, business management, economics, learning about supply and demand, you know, learn about the economy of where to start that business, where to go, where is the resources of how to, it's just a lot of information that I learned. Also, you know, whether you want to do an LLC or if you want a corporation, if you want to, it's so much information that I learned in computer information systems. So it helps me to balance both. Whether, you know, I want to be in IT or business, I can do both. And that is what I love about computer information system. Whereas on the other hand, information technology is more on the developing side. So if you just want to be that front end or back end developer, you could just fall wherever, but you don't get that business scenario. You don't get that business background, you know. And so that's what attracts me about computer information system, in which why I end up just decided to just do that degree. And I love it, you know. So from an educational standpoint, that is the difference. You really want to know, because you don't want to make those mistakes. Take it from me. It could hurt you in the long run. Not now, but in the long run. And so because of that, you want to be able to make sure you know what you're doing. So here am I today, you know. After I completed my associate in computer information system, now I'm end up doing my bachelor's in IT management. I thank God for that, because right now in IT management, it's a lot of business scenario management, learning how to control a project, you know, learning the scope, you know, learning how to initiate, planning, you know, executing, closing. You know, it's a lot of that, but it does tie into computer information system, because the information was not new to my ears. Every scenario they gave, I could relate, because what I have learned in computer information system. So it kind of gave me that support, you know. Not sure even if you're in information technology, I'm not sure how that part will work, and I'm not saying anything is wrong with it, because we can always change from degrees to degree. For example, like if you have your associate in information technology, you can go ahead and do your bachelor's in information technology management. But you do lose some information, you know, when you could have just do computer information system. And I'm not saying this one is wrong and this one is right, or I'm not saying this one is right and this one is wrong. I am just trying to differentiate the difference between both, so then you understand what to choose, you know, if your college offer it. So make sure you have that in mind. Now, that being said, let me suggest 2 schools to you that you can go ahead and, whether you want to do information technology or computer information system, I'm not sure, but just check. First college I'm going to announce to you is Rasmussen College, and that's because I'm doing my IT management degree there, you know. And secondly, Queensborough Community College. I did my associate degree there in computer information system. Now, the reason why I'm going to say I'm not sure where you're located, because that school is located in New York City. And, you know, I'm in Florida now, and I'm taking IT management online at Rasmussen College. So, you know, those are the colleges that I can say. The reason why I'm going to say or suggest those colleges is because I'm living proof. I went to one and I know what does it consist of. Amazing professor. Queensborough Community College, great college that you can associate yourself with. Trust me, nice. The advisors, up to the professors, amazing. Also Rasmussen, amazing college. I can say their online portal fully developed. I really love these colleges. And so, you know, I wanted you to know, so then you have a choice, all right? So thank you for watching this video. And don't forget, if you do like this video, give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're brand new to this channel here, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be able to get more of my videos as I produce them. Now, thank you for watching, my friend. And don't forget, no matter the situation you're going through, don't forget now that Jesus always loved you. Bye.